How to turn off any iPhone without touching screen. Let's jump right into the steps. So different model of iPhone have different techniques on how to turn off any iPhone without touching screen. As I'm using iPhone 7, what I have to do is I have to press the volume down button and power button at the same time, and I have to keep on pressing on it. It will be turned off automatically. If you have the latest version over 7 Plus, what you can do is you want to tap on the home button and power button at the same time and hold on to it. It will turn off. Then again, if you have iPhone 10 and above, you have to tap on the volume button upwards once and downward once, and then keep on pressing on the power button. And that is how you can turn off any iPhone without touch screen. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.